Hi everyone, welcome to the unboxing and review of the ELECOM Tetrapod Bluetooth speaker. You can get this product on Amazon for about $130. Check out the link in the description. The Tetrapod speaker comes with a plastic stand, a user manual and a special book. My first impression is very positive. It's a very interesting shaped Bluetooth speaker and the quality feels pretty good. The speaker comes with a Secret of Tetrapod speaker special book which tells the product story. First, I fully charged the Tetrapod speaker. Charging time is about 3 hours and the battery lasts for about 4 hours. You need a USB-C cable for charging. Unfortunately, it's not included in the package. Connecting a Bluetooth device to the Tetrapod is very easy and only takes a few seconds. The Tetrapod only has an on-off switch and USB charging port. You can't connect an audio cable and there are no volume buttons. So it's basically a Bluetooth-only speaker. I've tested the Tetrapod for about 2 weeks and I think it's a decent product. The main characteristic of the speaker is definitely its special shape. The sound quality is not the best I've heard, but it's also not the worst. I like the ocean sounds you can hear when you connect or disconnect the Tetrapod with a Bluetooth device. So if you are looking for a very interesting shaped Bluetooth speaker, which will certainly look nice in your home or office, you might want to try the ELECOM Tetrapod Bluetooth speaker. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.